was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder.
Hello, I am Shashikala Muthu, doing Bachelor in Early Childhood Education. Under Family and Community, we are going to discuss about the 5 barriers and ways to overcome teacher-parent relationship. Teacher-parent relationship are very important for the child's progress. Both group need to understand each other so that they can bring up good, positive children.
The thunder, lightning and the thunder, thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being.
Barrier 1. Teachers, parents, lack of time. Both teacher and parents do not have enough time or flexible time to meet each other to discuss about their child's progress. Therefore, to overcome these problems, both of this group need to arrange specific meeting such as teachers parents meeting, which can be conducted in a day, or they can meet in a common place such as in spiritual places, gatherings, or common buildings, or in a mall, so that they can discuss about their children's progress or the problems the child is facing. Such step will help the child to progress better for the child's holistic development. Second barrier, failure or lack of teacher understanding parents' communication style. Parents could be having different style of living, and then the culture differences, values differences, which teacher need to understand. Their parents' background would be totally different from the rest of the group of the children, because not all children's parents are from the same community or same belief system. So to overcome all these problems, language barrier, values barrier, or belief system barrier, so to overcome all these problems, teacher need to set up like those parents, immigrant parents, they have to have interpreters so that teacher and parent can understand each other. By overcoming these problems, teacher and parents can understand each other and help the child to progress better. Teacher also can have printed materials in dual language, whereby the teacher can understand the parents' language and they can overcome that barrier. And for them also to understand the parents' cultural background and everything, the teacher need to be very sensitive to the parents' needs.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Teachers believe that parents are not being sensitive, parents are being disrespectful towards them. This is the third barrier. So to overcome this, teacher must have an understanding of parents' problem also. And parents, especially when they are dealing with teacher, parents need to understand that teacher is not handling one child. So parents need to be sensitive to the teacher. Parents need to communicate via emails or WhatsApp or any modern digital system, or the best is face-to-face communication. By overcoming being sensitive and be tolerable, be understanding by the parents, teacher will have that trust that parents believe them and they can have good relationship. This will be very helpful for the child's progress.
Your radio and turn me up when you feel low. It's This
clap a little bit.
melody was meant for you.
Right.
Fourth barrier, families' limited resources. Parents will have the problem whereby they are handling more than one kid and more than one locations. When these problems are being faced by parents, they could not meet the teachers by personal communication or face to face. So for teachers to overcome parents' problem, they need to come to a solution whereby they can meet the parents after their working hours, whereby those child is really having serious problem, so the teacher need to take step to meet the parents and discuss with the parents the problem of the child is facing. And another solution teacher can come is when teacher can come with many suggestions that parents can arrange a carpool system whereby teacher will be able to meet the parents, and parents also will have the time to meet the teachers to discuss the child's future and development.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Fifth barrier, parents' lack of comfort. Parents feel discomfort when they are from different background and when the standards are not same. So even between the parents also, because of the different standard and understanding, parents do not discuss with each other. So for that, they need to communicate with the teachers. Teachers need to understand each parents are not same. Due to that, teacher need to arrange a meeting personally or in a group to discuss about the children's progress. Children need to develop holistically. That is very important for their future, not only for in the education but overall physically, cognitive, language, music, art and everything. Teacher need to understand what background parents are from and what the parents are providing the children at home. So the communication is very important. Teachers need to have a personal room whereby they can talk to the parents face by face, and they can even have a book to communicate with parents, whereby teachers can give the children the book to pass to the parents and parents can communicate through the book. Communication is very vital for the development of the children. So these are the 5 barriers and ways to overcome teacher-parent relationship. To produce and develop positive child, teacher and parents need to communicate and have a good relationship. Without that, they cannot bring up good future generation. So teacher-parents relationship affect the child's growth. Therefore, they have to work together. Teachers and parents relationship are very important. Thank you very much.